Julie O'Neill. Mentor, innovator and global leader is the 2016 UCD Smurfit School Alumna of the Year.
Julie is a strong leader that is able to see opportunity where everybody else sees challenges and failure.
She's somebody who's direct, who's very engaged, who gets the job done, but also has a really nice touch about it.
She inspires others with her values. She is single-minded, she's focused, she enjoys the cut and thrust of business, and she is extremely engaging.
In 1995, to complement her Bachelor of Science degree, Julie undertook an MBA in UCD Smurfit Business School.
She embodies all that's great about the Smurfit Business School. She's got that great business acumen, but she's got a global view as well. And I think that's testament to her training in Smurfit, but also to her own personality.
Shortly after completing the MBA, she joined Alexon Pharmaceuticals as their general manager. Gilead Sciences acquired Nexstar in 1999. And over the next decade, Julie worked in Gilead, bringing its worldwide expansion plans to fruition.
Julie has made a huge contribution to business development in Ireland, whether that is through her previous role in Gilead or her current role as Executive Vice President of Alexion.
Julie joined Alexion in 2013, at a time when they were looking to grow their business significantly.
Very dedicated, highly energetic, and whether that's at the boardroom level or at an all-staff meeting level.
He came in full speed on day one. There was no warm-up, there was no easing her way in. It was straight into the job.
Able to see the big picture and move from one area to another in enough detail that you can really make a difference, and that's very rare. You don't see that in a lot of people.
She has transformed operations to be a competitor on a global level. So she's made a huge difference there in a very short period of time.
She is responsible for our quality, manufacturing, distribution, and supply chain function, which enables us to serve patients in 50 countries around the world.
She has such a detailed knowledge of all the components that make up the pharmaceutical sector. She's worked in quality, manufacturing, supply chain, logistics. She has a great grasp of all of them, and she has boundless energy. She's able to pull it all together.
Julie is a great example of Irish leaders in a multinational environment really putting Ireland on a global stage as a place where world-class projects, research and development can take place.
Since then, she has been instrumental in expanding and improving Alexion's manufacturing and supply chain operations in the US, Europe and Asia, and improving quality operations across the whole company.
Julie, in her role as Head of Global Operations, has really led the strategy to support the global expansion of our business and to drive the future growth of Alexion from being a small biotech to being a global player.
Julie leads an incredibly complex global manufacturing organization. That team manufactures drugs for patients that are absolutely transformative. These patients have no other hope.
And Julie really impressed us with her vision for Ireland and her ambition for our country, and that our country would really be famous as a place where foreign direct investment at the very leading edge can find a very welcome home, but most importantly, that great talent is to be found here.
From an IDA perspective, Julie has always been extremely generous with her time in speaking to potential investors into Ireland in that sector. She's always shared her own experiences.
She oversaw the announcement by Alexion of a €450 million investment into a greenfield site in Blanchardstown, which, finally completed, will be Alexion's only manufacturing site outside of the US, and will employ about 200 people, bringing the company's total Irish workforce to around 500 people.
She clearly understands where the business is right now and where she wants it to go in the future, so she has a very strong vision and she articulates that very well.
She's made a huge difference on pharmaceutical and biotechnology industry in Ireland.
Over the years, Julie has built a reputation for giving her time freely and has served on numerous boards and committees.
at our first Global Leaders Summit in Boston last year, and we had 100 of our leaders from around the world gathered in a ballroom, and Julie was on stage presenting, and she actually got our general counsel as well to don an Irish hat and proceed to do an Irish step dance. And believe me, she's a much better dancer than our general counsel, but she had 100 people doing the Irish step dance around a leadership meeting. It was remarkable. Only Julie could pull that off.
Congratulations, Julie.
Congratulations, Julie.
Julie, congratulations.
Congratulations, Julie. Very well deserved.
Julie, fantastic achievement. It's well deserved, and I wish you the very best.
Congratulations, Julie.
Congratulations, Julie.
So congratulations, Julie, on a very well deserved award, and I hope you have a great night.